welcome back to 5 a day. The next question that we are going to look at is a very simple one. It is taken from Tao Nan Math Prelim 2020, Paper 2, Question 2. Alright, in many exam papers, there will be some that are more lengthy and harder, requiring more steps. But there are also those that you should try to take advantage of the time given to solve them in the shortest time possible. And this is one of them, a very pretty straightforward and easy one. Okay, let us take the next minute to look through the question. 3/5 of Lily's savings is equal to 7/12 of Janet's savings. So the question, what is the ratio of Janet's savings to Lily's savings? So they want you to calculate a ratio for Janet to Lily. So for questions as simple as this, you have to be really careful so do not calculate the ratio the opposite way. So what they want here is Janet is to Lily. Okay, so be very careful with this. Alright, if you were to look at the question, here we put Janet and Lily at the top, ratio of Janet to Lily. Okay, so how much does Janet have? Janet will have, okay, here in terms of Lily's, in terms of money, in terms of Lily's savings, Janet will have 3/5 of Lily's. Alright, and what about Lily? Lily's savings will be 7/12 of Janet's. So under Lily, I will put 7/12 of Janet's savings. Okay, because they both actually the actual amount, they actually saved different amounts. So if you look at the total number of parts is actually different for the both of them. All right, but we know that these two ratios, 3/5 is to 7/12, they will be equivalent. The total amount that each of the girls save will be different because the total one has saved 5 parts, the other one has 12, and the ratio is also different. All right, but now we are comparing an equivalent number because 3/5 of Lily is actually equal to 7/12 of Janet's. Okay, so now working out this ratio, if you were to look at these two numbers, it's hard to compare like this. So we want to convert them, want to change both these fractions to the same denominator. So we have to calculate, work out the LCM for these two numbers. And in this case, if we were to look at 5 and 12, the LCM will be, lowest common multiple will be 60. So from 5, I want to get a denominator of 60. I would need to multiply by 12. Now, if you were to do the same for the numerator, multiplying it by 12, I will get 36. All right. And for the other side, for Lily, to get a denominator of 60, 12, I will need to multiply it by 5. And 7, for the numerator, I will have to do the same thing and multiply it by 5. So that will give me 35. Alright, so right now, both these numbers, they have the same denominator, which is 60. So we can actually do away with the 60, the denominator, and the ratio of Janet's savings to Lily's savings will be 36 is to 35. So that's the final answer. Alright, excuse me, if you have understood the working, and liked the video, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more problem solving solutions. Alright, till then, this is 5 a day. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.